Hi, in this video, we'll see how to use the Opportunity Analysis module. The Opportunity Analysis is a tool that helps you make a decision, either on your own or with input from colleagues, and also helps you prioritize initiatives based on the results of this analysis. During the decision stage, as an approver, you can analyze the initiative by clicking the Options menu in the top right corner of the initiative page, then Analyze Opportunity, or by going to the Opportunity Analysis section and clicking Analyze Opportunity. The analysis is based on benefits criteria and achievability criteria. The scales used, the associated criteria, and the proposed answers are fully customizable by your platform administrators. For our example, we're using the benefit scale named Benefits and the achievability scale named Efforts. After completing the form and submitting it, you will find on the initiative page a summary of the opportunity analysis on the two dimensions, benefits and achievability. This summary is automatically calculated based on the average of the form responses. Depending on your profile, by clicking the Options menu and then Consult Opportunity Mapping on this plan, you can see where the initiative is positioned, highlighted in bold, within a matrix alongside other initiatives declared on the same plan. This matrix is built on the two dimensions benefits and achievability. In green, you'll see initiatives that are easy to implement and bring the most benefits. In red, you'll find those that are difficult to implement and bring the least benefits. This matrix is an effective management tool that helps you prioritize and plan the implementation of initiatives. The results in the matrix are clickable, and the legend allows you to highlight initiatives based on their status. Let's now look at another possibility offered by the Opportunity Analysis module. There may be cases where you don't have all the necessary information to perform the analysis, and you may want to ask colleagues for assistance in making your decision. In that case, in the Options menu, click Request Pre-Analysis. Add the people you want to consult. Optionally, add a due date and a comment. Then click Submit. The selected colleagues then receive a new action to be taken on their platform. They can open the initiative page, review it, and by clicking Pre-Analyze Initiative, complete the form. Note that it is not mandatory to fill out the entire form if someone does not have enough information to answer everything. When submitting the form, a window appears to indicate that the analysis is incomplete and offers to return to the form, finish later, or confirm that the pre-analysis is complete. Let's go back to the approver who requested the pre-analysis. As soon as a pre-analysis has been completed, a banner at the top of the initiative page tells you how many pre-analyses have been submitted, along with the average of the responses. By clicking it, you access the Opportunity Analysis section and can view the results. By clicking Display Details, the full results table appears, showing for each respondent and each criterion the pre-analysis results. The standard deviation column highlights differences of opinion among respondents. The higher the percentage, the greater the disagreement. It is recommended to take this into account and try to reduce this gap to ensure a smoother potential implementation. Thanks to the insights from the pre-analyses, you can now perform the main analysis by clicking Analyze Opportunity. You can create the main analysis from scratch or based on the average of the pre-analyses. Your opportunity analysis is now complete, and the table displays all pre-analyses, the average per criterion, the standard deviations, and your main analysis. Note that only the main analysis is included in the opportunity matrix. Pre-analyses are not displayed there. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.